GL450 Mercedes 2007 onwards. When you start the vehicle like this, and then you get this very weird noise. You see this? Whenever you turn the steering, you get this very weird noise. So it could be a power steering pump failure or low on power steering fluid. The best fluid to use for power steering for the Mercedes as of now is CFH11S, which is registered, approved and used for Mercedes. So once you put the fluid, or maybe when you flush the fluid out, it will start reducing the weird sound, and eventually it will disappear, provided if the power steering pump is intact. So not to worry, this is just the low on brake fluid, what do you call that, the power steering fluid. You see this sound? Alright, I'll update you about the disappearance of the sound on my next video.